Got tired of you, shit, you almost took my mind. Long stay on.
Good morning! Hi Luluzz, welcome back to my channel where we talk all things positive, sweet, soft, lavish, vlogs, beauty, wellness. Name it, it's here. So stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe. This is my second vlog and I'm so happy. The first one was so nice. Please keep on supporting. I love each and every single one of you. So yeah.
Talking to you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the boat rain. And I don't think I'll ever change your way. Cause I have, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
You're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, and I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting my way. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running, keep on running back. See, my days are cold without you. But I'm hurting my way. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me, when it all remains the same. That you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My baby, oh baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more, no more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more, no more. Why you hurt me? You leave me like this hurt. Oh, baby, you want my heart, and all you did was tear me up. Looking at my window, knowing that I should.
Passenger does that.
Shout outs. Day in the life of MHLANGA.
We literally came here once.
Now used to this life. Our dad's apartment's on the 50th floor.
Yeah.
And those are corner days, nothing crazy.
What is it? Sky top? Sky Reacher. Skyscraper. It's a skyscraper, bro.
You smile, I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I
Zulu, Mandela.
Hi vlog. So now it's later in the day. It's New Year's Eve. We're currently playing some games. If you know, you know. But Chica Kong and Loco, we're playing that. If you don't know, I don't know. I don't think you guys can hear me. So yeah, it's a vibe. But really is a vibe.
There is a forest.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little, bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the hole. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control. I need you to go.
Hi vlog. We're currently getting ready to go to up top Go-karting. You know the vibes, my grand's house. We've been there a lot lately. I'm already at home, but that's where we're going for New Year's, and it's really not gonna be that big of a thing. It's really not gonna be that big of a thing. We're just gonna be frying some meats. We won't even blast music, but we're gonna be with family, which is the most important thing about New Year's. Entering the new year, new chapter, new version of yourself, changing your whole identity, and it is possible. You are not your past does not define you. So yeah, I'm currently watching Nicole Leno. I'm prepping my avocado.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
My eyeball. I'm prepping my mango. That just shows how much I love avocado, guys. Like, I love avocado. So I'm prepping my mango, and I'm just gonna eat some mango, a whole mango. Yes, just gonna eat some mango, and then we're probably gonna go after that. One, two, three, go. Lifting up, lifting up, man. Once again. It's in Why is the man in the kitchen?
Close.
is by far the worst New Year's ever in history of everything. This is by far the worst, and I blame the elders, not gonna lie. It's not even a mourning thing like it's just a way of them coping with the emotions by telling us not to do anything. But Happy New Year's. I hope this is a prosperous, wealthy, rich. It comes with a lot of achievements this year of just being a greater version of yourself and just doing the things that make you happy and just being a happier person in general, having more hopes, dreams, aspirations, goals, things to reach, and hope you reach them this year. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. Happy 2026.
Long as you got your eyes, got your drippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games.
Hi vlog. Hope you guys are doing great, because it's been an average day, but we just finished swimming. I'm all showered up. It's my 3rd shower of the day. Crazy, I know, right? But if you guys are enjoying the vlog, this is not the best vlog. I can feel it. The editing process has to be amazing. Guys, my lashes. Guys, yo, they look good from afar. Mandela, it's chai. Okay, so we're gonna go cook now. We're cooking beans and rice and probably some leftover bread meat from yesterday. My hair's a bit wet, so I'll just put it up in a bun. Outfit of the day. Okay, so we have this top from Kiwi Fruits. It's a shop from Cape Town. My mom imports and exports things from that shop. And this skirts from Shein, and my shoes are from Mr. Price. So yeah, I don't know, I just like this soft pink Hawaii vibe. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I was about to leave and I came back just to tell y'all that, so that's how y'all know you're special. I come back for you, unlike your dad.
Leave your family in the cold and rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. 'Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you all see? Think you know your girl's so funny.
There are times when I look above and beyond. There are times when I feel your love around me, baby. I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again. 'Cause everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. Smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me. wishing that you waiting and get some more. I told you I'ma take your place. I seen it in your face, and I knew that you would say it. So how you wanna play this? You got somebody other than this what they commit. Don't trip, take it straight. That's just what we dealing with.
That's the time stamp that I'm gonna do. Maybe I'ma end it.
If it wasn't for my stomach though, I'd be getting it
Like, do I just
with bacon and syrup.
Waffle.
Hi vlog. I'm currently getting ready. Not really. I just took my first shower of the day. Hope you guys are liking the vlog so far. Guys, I don't know where to end it. Like, do I just keep on vlogging my whole life or what? Maybe I'm gonna end it tomorrow after the funeral. Yeah. That's the timestamp that I'm gonna end it at. Cause ain't no way, boss. There's only one man editing this vlog. I don't have an editor. Literally, bro. It kind of looks like a sad face.
That's me. I know my Babagino. Maybe Michelle doesn't know Babagino.
I would have ordered it, but I don't like it.
Really?
I think the juice is more filling than the food itself.
Oh, Tesco.
Tasco.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Oh.
Get a bag, you'll get candy.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got Out a few niggas ride it out for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40 holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just me, yeah. When I'm really low, will you still come up for me? Throwing bands to make me feel lovely. When I go, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got caught my interest, talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I'm not trying to be out here my hopes up. If you're over me, then let me know what's up. Don't change up on me in the long run. Keep it open, 100. 'Cause you got potential. You got potential.
Hi vlog. So we're currently getting ready to go to Mandela capture site, and dad is gonna the boys are gonna meet us there, and we're on our way out. I did a bit of blush, and I love how faint it is. It's not too much because I usually do a lot of blush, but my crocheted summer things are finally coming. I've been not procrastinating, what's the word? I've been waiting to wear my crocheted thing, but this is the top I made. Super cute, and I'm playing with this mini skirt that my sister gave me. Have some sunglasses from Mr. Price. This is from me. And the wool is from Sweet Haven on Macro. This is from Fushini, me. I made this, y'all. And then shorts are from Score. And then shoes are from Fushini. So yeah, pictures are coming soon. I'm thinking of posting on Instagram. I don't really post on Instagram because I'm scared. But I'm doing Instagram post of this whole maneuver. Hey vlog! Hi vlog! OOT! Yes! Run through. Is one of yours? Yes! That is sick. And I'm like, I made this. So that's so cool.
Free next week, I bet we have really good. Come out of me, I mean camaraderie. Said you're not in my time zone, but you wanna be. Where art thou? Why not upon me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy. It's the cute guy with the white blue eyes and the big bad mind. I know it's time to be redundant, but I bet we'd have really good. Talk so sweet when you're doing bad things. What's that? How you looking at me? What that means in love? Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. And I bet we'd both arrive at the same time. And I bet the thermostat set at 69. And I bet it's even better than mine.
It's easier than holding you down. Can't be any harder than holding you up now. To come clean, I said to be written is to be witness. Probably true, they say about me. Probably came from my inner circle. Usually come from your inner circle or lack thereof, and I don't know. I can trust. I've been dropping out and I've been hanging out with my.
I am purchasing because I am so eye-catchy. I see it, I want it, I got it, I have it.
On it, don't keep shining. Trying to keep to myself, but you bring me out after every time again. Damn jeans, them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some gift by mama. Go Gina, go Gina. Go get that gift by mama. Go Gina, go Gina. Go till you gift by mama. I belong to nobody, hope it don't bother you. You come mind your business. I belong to nobody, try not to disturb. Mind my business.
Hi vlog. So we're at Nelson Mandela Capture Sites Museum, not just the place. And I think we're gonna go through all the deaths or whatever of Mandela. So we're remembering our hero, BLM, and yeah.
Because I came prepared. You handed on what? 30 cards? Well, I got news for you.
A light is coming to give back everything the darkness stole. A light is coming to give back everything.
man. You're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, man. 22 going on 23. You look pretty when you're fucking with me. Can be sweet, I'ma show you what I'm made to be. Love, you're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Shayo, Shayo, you go bow for the. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look pretty when you're fucking with me. Can be sweet, I'ma show you what I'm made to be. Love, you're 22. Two at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Shayo, Shayo, you go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I take win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me.
The future is in my hands.
The future is in my hands.
And the future is in your hands.
So monumental, so beautiful. Like the things Mandela did for us, the things that we did as black people for freedom, just to eat a plate of food. Sana, I have to but that's why we go to these places. And I feel like everyone should I feel like every black person should know where they come from everywhere. Not everywhere, but like in every aspect. And this is your reminder as a black girl to know where you come from, know your history as a colored person, your beautiful melanin skin, embrace it, because it comes a long way. Sana, right now we would be in the trenches, bro. No Wi-Fi, no phone, no. We wouldn't have an identity in this world. We wouldn't be able to change the world. So just be grateful as a black person. Embrace it. You're not ugly. You're not different. You're not unique. You are unique. What am I saying? You're very unique. You're blessed to be black. You're created beautifully and fearfully in the image of God. God created black people for a reason. He made us different for a reason. He didn't make us white. He didn't make us colored. And we should be able to embrace that and live in it and know that this is where we are originated. So we should take up space, be bold, be beautiful, embrace your melanin skin, be confident in it, and just love it. Don't feel ashamed because of it. Don't feel left out because of it. Don't feel unaccepted because of it. Know your place. You come a long way. Mandela is your dad. So yeah.
No, I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy, and I know them careful. Like the Baba Frayo, Mayo, don't cry, yo. Shadow, I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when them kill Obama. I did try to buy moto, want Toyota things been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani cat churu churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani cat churu churu. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life, my eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shy, 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 yo.
Hi vlog. So we're about to go go-karting and I'm not scared because I have faith in myself that I'm gonna beat all these boys. I am a non-main fearer. Wait, what? Yeah, I'm a non-main fearer. I fear no man and I will do this easily. It's a hard track, but I've got this and I know I'll come first. I'll do like 5 laps in 10 minutes. So yeah, hope you guys like the vlog. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and to post notifications so you get notified every single time I drop. So yeah. So we're just waiting for our turn, but we should be going now and it's gonna be so fun. Sup vlog, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are currently getting ready to go race karting. I really hope you guys can hear me. This is a pimple, it's not some type of substance, but this is the fit. Oh, this thing is, anyways, it's I don't know. Anyways, let's go. Of course I'm gonna beat the guys because I am who I am. W's in the shot. Okay, bye y'all. I'll ask my dad to shoot some content for me while I'm driving. So yeah.
Take it on
about you. Beautiful, I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
Alright, honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me.
Vlog. So Mitch is getting an injection, so yeah, that's fun. And I ended up asking the doctor on like how it is being a doctor and stuff like that, because obviously everyone has their own dreams and I want to be there one day. It was so inspiring to see her. I just wanted to rush to her place and do what she's doing. It was so nice to see. But I want to be an ENT, so I asked her, is it competitive to be an ENT in UCT? Because that's where I want to go. So yeah, big dreams, small world.
You got potential. You got potential.
Hi vlog. So Mitch just got her injection, like a baby in the bum. Yeah. So now we're gonna go buy some biltong at Biltong Republic in Woodburn.
You got